Yo, what is up guys, back with another video, and today we are putting on coilovers on the car. I'm editing the video right now and realised I forgot to film an intro, so here we are now, filming an intro. Here guys, see you guys in the video. Right, we're on our way to go pick up some coilovers for the Subi. So, yeah, and then I'm going on holiday for a little bit, so I'll be gone for two days. Not too long. Give me some time to find parts for these coilovers. They do need a little bit of not work, but they need new seals or a rebuild on it. So I'm gonna get that done. And then yeah, I'm dropping her off at the airport, and I'm going to where is it? Tiara, and also Tauranga for a little bit. But yeah, I'll catch you guys when I'm back with the coilovers. Right, we just picked up the coils. They're in the back there. Two are leaking, but it's easy fix. They just need a seal, so not too bad. I was thinking of getting them rebuilt anyways, so it is what it is. But $100, yeah. Which I was originally, let me put my camera down just to get the cop. Not a cop. Which if I was to buy them like brand new, it was going to cost me around $2 grand. Sorry, $2 grand, sometimes $3 grand. They're tank coilovers, so they're pretty decent. You know, they're not like the basic racing coils. You know, they're still good coils, though, the tank coils. But yeah, I'm gonna get them fixed when I get back from holiday. I'm just heading there now. But yeah, this video should be out hopefully. I would love to say sometime next week, but let's be honest, it's probably going to be out probably the week after, so New Year's. But yeah, I'll catch you guys when I'm done for holiday. Cheers. Right, we got the coilovers here. I'm going to clean them up a little bit. I've just started working on this one, cleaning it up because it's a little dirty. I can't record putting them on because I can't record in the workshop, but we'll try and get that fitment as tight as we can without being illegal. So, catch you guys when they are on. Right, I'm currently editing this video and I seem to have lost a lot of footage. So I didn't end up going to a workshop. I went to my mate's house. We got the fronts done off camera, and then I did the rears out front. But yeah, I'm editing the video now and there's not a lot, so there's gonna be some random cuts. Like, you won't see the suspension getting pulled out and you won't see the new one getting fully put in. You'll just see it get lined up and that's about it. But yeah, anyways, on to the cuts. Right, we're back and the fitment's looking good. I can get a hand in there, but definitely need to work on the front. because I can put a shoe under there quite a bit, so I need to work on that a little bit. Hi puss puss. But yeah, I'll do that off camera. I did all the other ones off camera. Bleed the brakes as well because I had to disconnect the brake line to change it, which was really annoying, but one of the bolts stripped, so I wasn't able to slide it off. As you can see, it's now nighttime. I'm gonna have to cut that bit out because my camera's dead, so I'm having film on a phone and her phone's about to die. Right, that's gonna catch it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Wasn't too long, but it was decently enough. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next video. We're gonna be working on this car, so you can't really see, but the trainer. Anyway, peace.